Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.2 question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Let us find. Let Ravi's present age let Ravi's present age let Ravi's present age be X years. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. 15 years later, Ravi's age will be 15 years later, 15 years later, Ravi's age will be Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age, that is 4x equal to 4x. Now according to the question, according to the question, according to the question, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. 15 years. Now the present age is x. After 15 years, it will be x plus 15. That will be equal to 4x. Or you can write 4x is equal to x plus 15. Or you can write 4x minus x is equal to 15. That is on transposing x to left hand side. So we are getting 3x is equal to 15. Dividing both sides by 3, we get dividing both sides by 3, we get 3x by 3 is x, and 15 by 3, that is equal to 3 5 is 15, 5. The value of x is equal to 5, right? Therefore Ravi's present age is 5 years. Therefore we can say that Ravi's present age is equal to 5 years. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.